Hi, I'm Melina Huslett. I work at XOR Vision. We make Den clarity monitors specifically for dental operatory use. They have a water-sealed screen, lower voltage, higher luminance, a remote control that works on multiple screens, and a built-in TV option. Our displays can be cleaned with a disinfectant, and because they're water-sealed, it won't damage the screen. Our displays have 19 volts. The consumer displays have 120 volts. So our displays meet the safety codes and ensures the safety of the patients and the staff. The ability to see details in an X-ray is crucial for having an accurate diagnosis. Higher luminance means you can see details in an X-ray, which you would not be able to see on a consumer monitor. Research has shown that having a TV for the patients to focus on greatly reduces their anxiety, especially for children. And all of our displays have a built-in TV option.